So hi, we are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is ESP32 IoT device monitoring system using HC-SR04 ultrasonic distance measure module, n8n workflow and Google Sheet automation. So whatever the ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance and that should be appended into the Google Sheets. So it is continuously updating the data onto the Google Sheets. Okay. So ESP32 IoT device module, HC-SR04 ultrasonic distance measure module, trigger echo connected to the 12 and 13 pin and 5 volts power supply, and the workflow is webhook. So this is a production URL posting the data onto the Google Sheets. We can add email alert or a telegram alert or the ThinkSpeak alert or blink, so we can continuously send the data to all the modules or all IoT units. So first we are checking one by one. Webhook, it is posting the data to the appending the data onto the Google Sheet. So our IoT device module is 5 volts power supply module, ESP32 module, ultrasonic distance measurement module we are using. Okay. So it requires mobile hotspot internet. That internet username is project, password is project1234. So here is the Google Sheet, and I created one Google Sheet. The name is ultrasonic sensor, and this is continuously monitoring onto the sheet 1. So our workflow is n8n automation. Now I am taking a webhook. So this is the posting URL, production URL. Okay, and the method is the post method. ESP32 module name is ESP32. Okay, and we are appending the data onto the Google Sheet. Okay, Google Sheet, spreadsheet, and we continuously updating the data here. Okay, so now I am going for the, already it is in the publish mode. Okay, now I publish it. Okay, so now it is so continuously it will take the data onto the Google Sheets. Okay, so this is our n8n automation. So we are getting the data, so Google Sheets. Okay, so now I am going to start the power supply. Okay, power on. So here that ESP32 module we are giving the internet. So module is connected, ESP32 device. So yeah, 135. Now it is in the production okay. So ultrasonic distance measurement module. So now it is continuously updating the data onto the Google Sheet. Okay, so 162. So now I am going to near the distance of obstacle or the wall. Okay, yeah, 17 centimeter. So now I was some longer distance. Okay, 34. Okay, now it is in the production. Okay, so anytime you can on the kit and it will continuously send the data to your Google Sheets. Now I am going to add email alert and a telegram alert. Okay, so this is webhook, Google Sheets. So power supply board, ESP32 module, HC-SR04 ultrasonic distance measurement module, power supply, ESP32 module, ultrasonic distance measurement module. Okay, so this is n8n. So you can sign in free for 14 days. Okay, you can sign in for 14 days. Okay, so now I already signed in. So we created like this. Okay, webhook. So now it is in the publish mode. You can unpublish also, unpublish. Okay, now you can go for publish, or you can give anything. So it will go for the publish mode, n8n, and the webhook posting the data to Google Sheets, and it is sending the data to here 141 distance. Okay, so like this you can continuously get the data. Okay, ultrasonic sensor. Yeah, it is now 29. So the distance is nearer to wall, it's a 29. Yeah, thank you.